In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to enable Open Graph in OceanWP theme. Open Graph metadata helps all social media websites get metadata about your posts pages. It also allows you to control how your content appears when shared on social media sites. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable Open Graphs in WordPress using OceanWP theme. But if you want to know how to add an SVG logo in OceanWP theme, we have a video explaining how you can do that too. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, in the dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Customize. This is the OceanWP theme customizer. Now, here, navigate to General Options, and then go to General Settings. Scroll all the way down to Open Graph Settings. It's right here. Click here to enable Open Graphs. And then here you can enter the social media site's information. Then, finally, click on Publish to publish the changes. And that's it. This is how you can enable Open Graphs in OceanWP theme. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.